Chores, routine tasks such as cooking, cleaning, taking out the rubbish. Chores. I usually do my chores on Sundays. Chores. How do you call this chore? Is it washing the clothes or laundry? If you guessed laundry, you are right. Well done. Usually you don't say I need to wash my clothes, you say I need to do laundry. I don't like doing laundry because it takes a very long time. Ironing, the activity or task of ironing clothes, sheets, etc. So you call this chore ironing. I need to do ironing. Don't confuse that with the Iron Man. Ironing. Do you remember the new words? Routine tasks such as cooking, cleaning, taking out the rubbish are called chores. How do you call this chore? Laundry. How do you call this chore? Ironing. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you.